I watched a rich man pray in the front row every day, while judging a dirty mechanic in the back.
Welcome to SJ Facts, where we uncover amazing stories with real evidence.
Today's story will shake your understanding of true faith and humble devotion.
This is about a man in dirty clothes who turned out to be closer to God than everyone else.
It was the last nights of Sha'ban. The mosque was filled with worshippers preparing for Ramadan. The air was thick with perfume,
And the sound of prayer beads clicking in devotion.
there was a man named Umar, always dressed in spotless white clothes. Umar always took the first row in the mosque
And felt proud of his devotion.
He believed he was very close to God because of his outward piety.
But there was another man, Majid, a mechanic by profession.
Majid's clothes were always stained with grease. His hands were rough and darkened from work. He always prayed in the last row, hidden behind a pillar, and quickly left after prayers.
Omar would often tell his friends about Majid, with judgment in his voice.
Look at him, dirty clothes in the mosque. He cares more about the world than religion.
Omar had no idea what God sees in a person's heart.